Dear friends, today we have to solve some tricks about एपी. सो जो एपी का प्रॉब्लम रहेगा उसमें से कुछ ट्रिक है so that we can solve the problem very short period of time, right? So now question start. Question number 1. If the seventh term of an epi is if the seventh term of an epi, right? If the seventh term of an epi is 1 by 9, seventh term is given, and the ninth term of an epi and ninth term of an epi is 1 by 7. Asking question is your find 63 term. Clear? This is your question. So you see here in this question, seventh term is 1 by 9 and ninth term is 1 by 7. So asking question is your 63. In the sense A 63. What the given in the question? So you have to see the solution part. What the given in the question, right? Out of this question, we just find out here. That is to be here. Seventh term of an epi is given. In the sense what? The A7 is given. In the sense A7 is given. That one is your 1 by 9. And ninth term of an epi is given also. In the sense A9 is given. That is 1 by 7. Asking question is your A63. Answer is your 1. So trick is what? You see term, whatever the term are there, that should be the reciprocal, right? In the next, first one term, second one reciprocal, second one term, first one reciprocal. Okay, so at that time you just multiply these two. 9 into 7, 63. So value is 1. So in this type of question, if you have to find, then you can just, nothing you have to do, nothing worry about that. You just multiply the value here, 9 and 7 and 9, 63. Then value is 1. Blindly you have to put 1. The answer is your 1. Blindly you have to put, right? Because when the term will be the reciprocal of another at that time. A7 1 by 9, A9 1 by 7. So 9 into 7, 63 value is your 1. Then come to the question number 2. Next trick we have to see. Question number 2 now. Question number 2 is a different question here, right? So you have to see 3, 7, 11, 15. In that way up to 39. So here asking question is n is what? In the sense number of term is your, what is your number of term? N is what? Right? There is a rule for that. What? Trick is what? How to find out? The last term minus first term. Okay? Last term minus first term by difference plus 1. This is your trick. Last term in the sense 39 minus first term is your 3. By their difference you see. What is the difference? 4 plus 1. So 39 minus 3, 36 by 4 plus 1. That means 36 by 4 is your 9 plus 1. That is equal to 10. N is your 10. So number of terms is equal to 10. That is the trick. Last minus first by difference plus 1. Right? This is the second question. Then question number 3. Question number 3 now. 3 is your what? Find the sum of the sequence. Find the sum of the sequence. So sequence is your what? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. You have to find out the sum. Very simple, right? What you have to find out? You just add first and last divided by 2. So 21 trick you have to find out. See here. 2 plus, 3 plus, first is your 3 plus 21 by 2. In the sense what? 24 by 2. That means 12. 12 into how many terms are there? You see sum of the sequence, how many terms? 7. So into 7. Answer is your 84. Right? You just add first and last term, and whatever the result, that should be divided by 2, means average, then multiply with number of terms, then automatically the value will be find out. That is your sum of terms, sum of the sequence you have to find out. Then another question number 4. Question number 4 now. Question is your 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 51th term. Okay, this is your question, right? 51th term. So here, what is the value of 51th term? What is the value of 51th term? 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 51th term, not 51. Value is not 51. 51th term is what? So generally term in the sense we have to find out what? A plus n minus 1 into d. This is formula base, means concept base. So you can write down instead of n in the sense 51. So a in the sense 2 plus n 51 minus 1 into d. D in the sense what? Difference. What is the difference? 2 is your difference, right? So 2 plus 50 into 2, that means 102 is your answer if you go through the formula, right? But a trick is what? What is the trick? If you have to find out the trick, then what is for trick? You have to find out, go through the trick, then answer is same or not. Very simple. You just what? Now, whatever the number of term are there, you just reduce 1. You just reduce 1, right? So 51 minus 1 into the difference. What is the difference? 2, right? Plus first term, plus first. Okay, so 50 into 200 plus first term 2, so 102. You can also calculate. So remember this thing. Okay, what? Now whatever the number of term are there, you just subtract 1 and multiply with difference, then add the first term, then is your answer, right? Another problem we have to solve here. Same concept problem. Same concept problem. Is it? It's a very good things. Trick. Suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right? N is your what? 5. Okay. So you have to find out the. So n is your 5. What I have to see? N, whatever the number of term are there, you just subtract 1. So 5 minus 1, 4 into difference. Difference is your 2 plus first term. So answer is your what? 10. You see, right? So this is very easy. Another we can take also, just like 4, 8, 12 in that way up to 10th term. 10th term. So n is what? 10. So 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 into 10 minus 1 into difference. Difference is your what? 4. So into 4 plus first term plus 4. So 36 plus 4, that equal to 40. So you can find out this all these question through this trick, right? It's really very easy, and you can find out the answer easily. Okay, thank you.